Seabubbles is a smart and eco-friendly boat company started in 2016 by Alain Thibault and Anders Bringdahl. They create electric hydrofoil boats that glide above water, cutting down drag, noise, waves, and emissions. These boats are perfect for cities and waterways, offering quiet and smooth rides without harming the environment. Their designs include models like the Bubble for everyday city rides and relaxation, and the Smart Bubble, made for water taxis and group travel. The Bubble can go up to 22 kilometers per hour, while the Smart Bubble carries 6 to 10 people with great efficiency. These boats even use solar panels and small turbines to help recharge the battery, making them even more sustainable. The latest model, the Alpha 1. Meet Alpha 1, a stunning 20-meter super yacht created by Lazerini Design, where luxury meets the future. Inspired by the sleek look of space hovercrafts, this yacht is crafted from strong, lightweight carbon fiber and glass for a bold, modern style. Powered by a Volvo IPS 950 system, Alpha 1 can speed across the water at up to 40 knots. Inside, you'll find 3 cozy cabins, plush leather seating, and a stylish dining area with warm wood accents. On top, there's a rooftop deck featuring a panoramic hot tub, perfect for soaking in the ocean views. For eco-conscious adventurers, an electric hydrogen-powered version is also available. Alpha 1 is where cutting-edge tech, elegance, and sustainability come together for a truly unforgettable experience. The 8S prototype Hydrooil Eboat is changing the way we think about electric boating. Using hydrofoil technology, this boat lifts above the water as it speeds up, reducing drag and gliding smoothly for a fast, quiet, and efficient ride. It's powered by a high-performance electric motor and advanced batteries, making it a clean and green alternative to gas-powered boats. Built from lightweight carbon fiber, it's strong, stable, and easy to handle, even at high speeds. Its advanced control systems make steering feel natural and responsive, whether you're cruising peacefully or riding through choppy waters. This next-gen e-boat proves you don't have to choose between performance and sustainability. It delivers both, offering an exciting and eco-friendly way to enjoy the water. Racebird is a game-changer in electric water racing. Made for the E1 series, this sleek hydrofoil boat flies across the water at speeds up to 58 miles per hour. It's powered by high-capacity batteries from Hydrooil and a cutting-edge electric motor from Mercury Racing. Thanks to its smart design, Racebird lifts above the surface for a smooth, thrilling ride. The cockpit, built like a Formula One car, features a steering wheel and pedals for full control, perfect for a solo pilot. It also includes an auto-control system and safety canopy for maximum protection. Racebird blends advanced tech with eco-conscious innovation, delivering an electrifying ride that's fast, silent, and sustainable. Step into the future of water racing, where speed meets style and performance meets the Meet the Jet Shark Fly, an exciting new version of the famous Sea Breacher, created by Rob Innes and Dan Piazza from Innespace Productions. This awesome watercraft can dive, glide underwater, and launch back into the air like a real shark. It's bigger than the original Sea Breacher and has a sleek, shark-like shape with a roomy, air-conditioned cockpit that fits 4 adults. Powered by a strong Corvette V8 engine, the Jet Shark offers both calm, open-door cruises and thrilling high-speed adventures with the doors shut. It's built for safety too, with snorkel-like airfoils and fins to keep it stable and prevent flipping. Plus, a camera on top gives the driver a clear view above water. Jet Shark Fly truly takes water fun to the next level. Jet Cycle Max is an exciting new way to enjoy the water like never before. This sleek one-seater hydrofoil bike lets you glide smoothly across lakes or even race over waves just by pedaling. With speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour, it's powered entirely by your own energy. Made with strong yet lightweight materials, it lifts above the water for a smooth, flying-like ride. The Jet Cycle Max is built for everyone, with adjustable pedals and easy joystick steering that makes riding fun and simple. Whether you're into fitness or just want a thrilling outdoor adventure, this bike delivers a unique mix of exercise and excitement. Break free from the usual and dive into the future of water fun with Jet Cycle Max, where your power meets incredible innovation. Dive into the deep like never before with the Deep Flight Super Falcon 3S, a sleek and high-tech submersible built for thrilling underwater adventures. This futuristic watercraft seats one pilot and two passengers, each enjoying panoramic views through clear bubble-like canopies. It glides through the water at speeds up to 6 knots, powered by a 14 kilowatt-hour lithium battery that delivers up to 8 hours of underwater exploration. Thanks to its unique fly-by-wire 3-axis control system, it handles like a dream, diving smoothly down to 400 feet. Safety is a top priority too. It's designed with natural buoyancy, so it floats back to the surface if anything goes wrong. Whether you're exploring coral reefs or diving deep into mystery, the Super Falcon 3S offers an unforgettable ride beneath the waves. Lazerini Sea Jet is a futuristic, high-speed marine vessel designed by Italian designer Pierpaolo Lazerini. Built for both luxury and practicality, it can carry up to 50 passengers and reach blazing speeds of up to 69 knots, around 79 miles per hour in hydrofoil mode, gliding smoothly over water. Its modular design means it can operate alone or connect like a train on water. Powered by two 1,200 horsepower engines, it's built for power and speed. Inside, the seating is inspired by airplanes, offering both business and economy-style comfort. The roof features transparent solar panels for natural light and eco-friendliness. Whether used for private trips or public transport, the Sea Jet stands out with its sleek design, versatility, and top-tier performance on the water. Let me know if you'd like a shorter or longer version. Introducing the Sono by Lazerini Design, a stunning 169-meter superyacht concept that blends luxury, innovation, and style. Whether used as a private yacht or shared by multiple owners, Sono offers unmatched elegance with 5 spacious decks. Inside, you'll find a breathtaking 3-story atrium, complete with a pool and garden, plus twin helipads that transform into swimming pools. The rear deck features cranes and a lifting platform for loading various vehicles. Built with a strong mix of steel and carbon fiber, Sono can reach speeds of up to 31 knots, powered by a fully electric system. With its eco-friendly tech and cutting-edge design, Sono promises a next-level cruising experience, redefining what it means to sail in true luxury and sophistication. Imagine relaxing in a stunning floating suite. That's the Pearl Suite, created by the brilliant team at Lazerini Design Studio. These modern, round pods gently float on the water, offering a peaceful and unforgettable stay right above the waves. Fully powered by solar energy, each suite runs essentials like air conditioning, lighting, and refrigeration without leaving a carbon footprint. Built for the Italian water mobility brand Jet Capsule, these suites bring a fresh take on seaside luxury. Travelers can even customize features to suit their needs. Group several together, and you've got a private floating resort. The Pearl Suite is perfect for those who want to enjoy luxury while caring for the planet. It's stylish, eco-friendly, and made for a one-of-a-kind getaway on the water. Meet the Flyway Hydrooil Jet ski, a fun and futuristic ride that feels like you're flying on water. This electric stand-up watercraft uses advanced hydrofoil technology to lift above the surface, giving you a smooth, almost floating experience with less water resistance. Powered by a quiet, eco-friendly motor, it delivers strong performance while being kind to nature. The Flyway features easy-to-use handlebar controls, a digital display for speed and battery, and even a Bluetooth speaker to enjoy your favorite music on the go. Its modular design means you can quickly take it apart and bring it anywhere. Whether you're into high-speed adventure or just want a calm, scenic glide, the Flyway makes every water ride exciting and unforgettable.